On Saturday, the Earth's atmosphere was impacted by a small meteor. This was confirmed by scientists. The incident occurred on June 22, 2019 at about 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. NOAA's GOES 16 satellite, along with others, detected the flash over the Caribbean about 170 miles from Puerto Rico. The object designated Asteroid 2019 MO was detected prior to its impact in the hours before by the Asteroid Terrestrial-impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, in Hawaii. A meteor expert from the Western University of Ontario, Canada, said this about the impact. It was consistent with 3 to 5 kilotons of energy. The bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima on August 6, 1945, exploded with an energy of about 15 kilotons of TNT. Impacts like the June 22nd incident are known to happen approximately once or twice per year. This is a first for scientists to detect the object prior to such an impact.